Hello, welcome to PIA, Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo, and today I'm going to show you how to repot an orchids using my DIY flower pot that I created. This came from the juice that I bought. Cut it into half, and then I put a lot of holes in there for the air to flow. And I also at the top I have folded it. See, it's folded, and I press it down, and that way it's not sharp. It's really cool idea. And I thought maybe I use something that's recycled, so instead of throwing it away, or I'm gonna show you the orchids that I'm gonna use. It is so pretty and I love the color. The color itself is so amazing. I hardly see one of these at store. It is so gorgeous. The media that I'm gonna be using this, I mixed up the coconut husk chips and a sphagnum moss from the Amazon, and so that's what I've been using for my orchids. I use the premium sphagnum moss. These are a little bit of perlite and also a little bit of crushed eggshell. Soak it in water yesterday, and I washed it and rinsed it. It was packed with moss. Okay, so here it is. It's all nice and the moss is out. There's a little few left, but you know, the orchids doesn't care. I don't have any roots here that I need to cut, and the roots is super healthy. But also what I noticed is that there's some that white powdery here at the base of the plants. And what I'll do is, if there's 3 leaves that I had to remove. So here's one, see? And here's another one. It's already cut. Was cut before, and here is another one. So there's actually 3 leaves that I had to remove. So I'll just spray the area where I removed the leaves right there, and make sure that I got all, and I just spray the whole roots, and I will let it dry before I repot it. And so I'll wait probably about 10-15 minutes. I have this little brush that I use it. So I just brushed the area where there was powdery. It doesn't hurt if you overspray it with hydrogen peroxide. It's not gonna hurt the plants. And I can hear it sizzling in here. You go. Now it looks really clean. See, there's no more powdery in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit more of the peroxide. There you go. And then I'm gonna let it dry, and then finish the repotting. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start filling up this with the media, mostly the coconut husk chips in here, for where the drainage is. Put the plants on top of it, spread around the roots in there, and it's just like that. So I'm gonna start filling it up with media. Okay. It's all done. See, the roots are sticking out, and then the base of the plant is not buried all the way down. I don't want to bear all the way down, and that way it gets a chance to grow more roots right above it. So I have to remove the sticks. Have to fix it. Okay, so I got another stick it's gonna hold the flower up, and see, it's all done. And I don't have to water this for a while because it's really moist, and this is such a gorgeous plant, and I love the color. The color is mauve. It's light mauve, and it's gorgeous.